Alright, so today, y'all, I'm bringing back my Colorado State rebuild. Now, before we get into our next games, which will be Long Island, Wyoming, and a game against Boise, I'm going to just say, changing my difficulty to hard, putting quarters on 2 minutes, and let's refresh on our team. We've got Jacoby Sigler, senior, Snoop Ramirez, freshie, Colt Burns, sophomore, Bardra Coach Ran, junior, Juwan Fowler, junior, Harrison Toth, freshman, Levisky Gordray, sophomore, and Javante Kalu, sophomore. Let's get into it. Oh, and let me add something. Come on, I gotta bring the OG back. Fans going hype today for the home game. Senior QB takes the snap. Alright, we just gotta get past here. Come on, Ramirez. Alright, that's good. We just gotta run the ball, y'all. Okay, they caught him. Okay, Sigler is not a running QB, but how we gonna play this? I mean, we're not gonna get that. Okay, throw that over. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, these jerseys kinda mid, you know? Anyway, we throw this early to him. Y'all were 2v1ing him. How did you not catch that? It's a 2v1 and the receivers don't catch it. This is what I'm working with here, bro. Come on, man. We cannot get destroyed by a team in the minor division. We're in the major division, sir. Anyway, we need our first win of the season. Maybe get ranked after this game. You know, we get ranked. You know, that's how we do. We be getting ranked. So, that's how we do. Let's use the unnamed RB. Okay, go out of bounds. You ain't got no protection. No protection against them blind. Okay, let's not get blindsided. QB. You just blindsided me there, bro. Alright, take this side, Sigler. Take the slide. We gotta be careful. We're on hard mode. Dot. That's just a dot, bro. I mean, we're at home. Everything's easier at home, They're not gonna stop us, bro. We got dots, man. We got crazy receivers. Hey, we're just a W team. Throw it up. Hey, he got deep on coverage. Alright, we forced a stop. Let's force a run. Never again. Alright, let's run with the pass game. If we can get into a pass flow, we're good. Bro, they're not even going to score on our defense anyway, but let's not get into it. Let's get this. Oh, come on. Ramirez, you couldn't dive. Watch this, our defense strong. Why would I believe in my defense we turn out to give up points to this team? Come on, Ramirez, you gotta go farther, bro. Bro, they're all on him. We need like a running back or something, bro, because this offense is not gonna work as an air raid. We just don't got a receiving power, bro. And our QB is never gonna be able to do with that. I mean, the speed on that man is just it's not existent, bro. He's got no speed. And Ramirez takes it back to make it 14-8. And we just take a little 2-point. Like 2-point there. Alright, Kalu. Okay, top. Stop them! They're a weaker team! We'd be lucky to get 4 yards with this run game we got. Alright, we baited them long enough. Let's get the run in. Alright, we're in this movement. We're moving fast, alright. We gotta... Too far. Alright, go out, go out, go out. Not trying to time, man. I'm trying to run my time out, but I don't want to randomly get popped by one of the DBs. So. Okay, good. That's great. Pull out the pass. Okay, we're gonna go with the passing game. Oh, come on! How do you not pass that? If they score, I'm about to take some more. Whoa, that was incredible. Finally, my team's luck. And never gonna happen. No, this did not just happen, bro. If he had not let that guy get away, we would have a win right now. And now we have to go into this Wyoming game. Still unranked, but just with worse morale. We beat our rivals 50-0. We beat Georgia State 48-35. And we lose 2016 here. As soon as I get a chance, I hope I'm never come back and never come back. Because who am I coaching, bro? Like, all y'all are trash. I've got one good receiver, and the other one comes in clutch, but doesn't know how to catch when it's not time to come in clutch. And then my QB has no arm, and my receivers can't catch short passes. And we have no run game. This is low-key the worst situation, bro. You're not falling apart, bro. He's out of bounds. It's not an interception. Now you want to catch the ball? Want to catch the ball now? You want to catch the ball now? You want to catch the ball now? Just after we literally planned. We're down 14 now. We're down 13 now. There's no reason to catch the ball anymore. You should just drop the ball and throw it to the other. You know what? The best thing you can do here is throw it to the other team. Since you love dropping it. Alright, let's throw the ball in here. Okay, bro. This team sucks. And I'm gonna say that loud enough so everybody in the world can hear me. My team's trash. I hope these bums never make it to the NFL. Yes, I'm about to tell every NFL team who decides to draft them, they're rapists. I think that was kind of out of pocket, saying that they're rapists, but they still suck, by the way. I don't like them. Bums. Work harder. Come on! Bro, you dropped the ball! Why did you drop the ball? Bro, I just want to get past this season already, bro, because what is this team? Can we please get somebody of a walk-on, bro? Like, can we get a walk-on? I just need somebody to transfer me or something, bro. Of course he catches the ball that's supposed to be an INT. Where's all that catching at when I need it? Lucky, I'm getting tired of Retro Bowl College, bro, because it's what it is. This is a terrible day. Terrible day to like Retro Bowl. My team's terrible. My running back. How do they even expect me to play with a team like that? Really, bro? If you don't catch what you want, revoking your scholarship. So, can you catch up to him, maybe? You know, we just broke an NCAA record for most INTs in game. I'm just gonna just throw it. Firing that other coach. I don't care. After 2 games of straight defensive failures, I don't want to see that anymore.